Dear students, I am your math teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, today we will continue our next topic, division of rational number. Beta, as like the fraction, division of fraction, we will proceed here. You know very well how to divide the fractions, but still I am reminding you. Suppose I have two fractions, 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 7. I want to divide 3 upon 2 with 5 upon 7. Then beta, what is the sign? Sign of division. Now beta, what to do? 3 upon 2. This division will be changed into multiplication. And here we will write reciprocal of that number. Reciprocal of 5 upon 7, it will be beta 7 upon 5. So here we will write reciprocal of 5 upon 7, 7 upon 5. Now simply look, division is changed into multiplication. And you know very well how to multiply the rational number. Multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. If anything is common between numerator and denominator, you can cancel it. But here nothing is common. So 3 multiply 7, 21. And 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. Understood, beta? In that way, as like the fraction, we will proceed similarly here in the rational number. Clear, beta? Understood? Now your exercise, beta, next exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4. Question first. Divide. First part, you have to divide 1 by 1 upon 2. 1 by 1 upon 2. Look beta. 1 divide, we want to divide. So sign of division. 1 upon 2. And 1 division change into multiply, and reciprocal of 1 upon 2, it will be beta 2 upon 1. So for the simplification, here you can take denominator 1. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 1, 1. So it is equal to 2. Understood beta? Clear? In that way you can divide the rational numbers. Part second is beta similar. Like the part first, you have to proceed it by yourself. You have to divide 5 by minus 5 upon 7. 5 by minus 5 upon 7. Try it by yourself. And third part is beta 3 upon 4 divided by 9 upon minus 16. Now minus 3 upon 4, I want to divide. Sign of division here. 9 upon minus 16. Clear beta? Now division change into multiply. And what is here? Reciprocal of 9 upon minus 16. It will be beta minus 16 upon 9. Now anything is common between numerator and denominator, you can cancel it. Now 9 and 3. 9 can be cancelled with 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay beta. And 16 we can cancel it on the table of 4. 4 4s are 16. And look, minus multiply minus, it will be plus. So we have only 4 upon 3. This is your answer. Clear beta? Understood? In the same way you have to try other parts. Yes beta, other parts are fourth part, minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 21 upon 16. Similarly fifth and sixth part is beta 0 divided by minus 7 upon 5. You know very well, 0 divided by any number, it will be 0. Similarly try beta 7th and 8th part. I am sure easily you can solve that one with the help of first part and third part. Clear beta? Yes beta, question second. Find the value and express as a rational number in standard form. Means you have to solve and your answer should be in the standard form. Now beta, first part very easy, you can easily solve. Similarly second part, but I am explaining here part second beta. Now look here, 10 upon 3 divided by minus 35 upon 12. So division beta change into multiply, and reciprocal of minus 35 upon 12, it will be 12 upon minus 35. Understood beta? Now anything is common between numerator and denominator, you can cancel it. Now look, 10 and minus 35, both are on the table of 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. And 12 we can cancel on the table of 3, 3 4s are 12. Okay beta, now we have 2 multiply 4. 2 multiply 4 beta, 8. And here is 1 multiply minus 7. 1 multiply minus 7, minus 7. Now look, is it in standard form? No beta, this is not in standard form. We have to express the answer in standard form. But it is not in standard form because denominator is positive. So you have to change the denominator into, because denominator is negative here. In standard form, the denominator is in positive and your rational number is in the lowest form. 8 upon minus 7, it is in the lowest form, but not in the standard form because denominator is negative. So make it positive by multiplying with minus 1. When you multiply it with minus 1, this minus will come here. Simply you can put that minus here beta. Minus, so it will become minus 8 upon 7. That is your answer. Understood? Clear? Your answer should be in the standard form. Okay beta, first two part, first you have to try, second I have explained, and third and fourth part beta are also similar. Minus 6 divided by minus 8 upon 17, and fourth part beta 40 upon 98 divided by minus 20. Similarly you have to proceed. Here beta, for simplification you can take the denominator 1, then you have to try. Understood beta? Clear? Yes beta, your next question, question third. The product of two rational number is 15. If one of them is minus 10, find the other. Means you have given the product of two rational number is equal to 15 and one number is equal to minus 10. We have to find other number. Then beta, clearly other number will be product of two number 15 divided by one number divided by one number. It became 15 divided by minus 10. Okay beta. Now we can cancel it on the table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. And this minus we can put in the numerator. So your other number is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Understood beta? Simply you have to divide the product with the given one number. Then you will find the other number. Clear beta? Yes beta, question fourth, similar as like the question third. The product of two rational number is minus 8 upon 9. If one of the number is minus 4 upon 15, find the other number. Then beta, clearly as like the first question, other number will be equal to product of two number, which is equal to minus 8 upon 9 divided by one given number, and one given number is equal to beta minus 4 upon 15. Understood? Now next you have to try it by yourself. You can easily solve that one. Clear beta? Understood? Yes beta, question fifth. By what number should we multiply minus 1 upon 6 so that the product may be equal to minus 23 upon 9. Beta, this is also same as like the question third and fourth, but he is asking you in indirect way. Means look at the statement. By what number should we multiply minus 1 upon 6? So that product may be minus 23 upon 9. Means we have, as like the question third and fourth, we have given product of two number. Product of two number is beta minus 23 upon 9. Product of two number is equal to beta minus 23 upon 9. By what number should we multiply minus 1 upon 6? So that product is equal to minus 23 upon 9. Means we have given one number. One number is equal to minus 1 upon 6. We have to find the other number with which it multiply to get the product equal to minus 23 upon 9. So beta, as like the question third and fourth, other number will be equal to product minus 23 upon 9 divided by one given number minus 1 upon 6. So beta, division will be changed into multiply, and here what? Reciprocal of minus 1 upon 6. Reciprocal of minus 1 upon 6 is beta 6 upon minus 1. Look at, anything is common, you can cancel. 6 and 9 on the table of 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Clear beta? And this minus, we can cancel it with that minus. Okay. And 23 multiply 2 beta 46. And 3 multiply 1 is equal to 3. That is your answer. Means you have to multiply minus 1 upon 6 with 46 upon 3 to get the product minus 23 upon 9. Clear beta? Yes beta, question 6th is also similar as like the question 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Similar question you have to try by yourself. 6th is, by what number should we multiply minus 15 upon 28 so that product may be minus 5 upon 7? Means you have to find the other number. And same like the previous question beta, other number will be equal to minus 15 upon 28 divided by minus 5 upon 7. Okay beta. By what number should we multiply minus 15 upon 28 so that product, sorry beta, here the product is equal to minus 5 upon 7. So other number beta will be equal to minus 5 upon 7 divided by one given number minus 15 upon 28. Clear beta? Understood? Same like the previous question. Now easily you can solve that one. Similarly question 7th and 8th you have to try. Clear beta? Understood? Similarly you have to try other parts. So exercise 5.3 is over up to question 8th, and the pending question beta we will try tomorrow. This is enough for the today. Thank you beta.